Imagine having to live in a place full of rotting garbage and dump yards.
Sounds disgusting, right? But this is the reality of thousands of people in India.
Do you know that India is the largest plastic polluter in the world, which is something we should be ashamed of?
How ironic it is that we call our nation Bharat Mata, which means Mother Earth, and yet we pollute it.
Dump yards have been a major issue that we have often ignored. And if we still continue to ignore, it will become a major problem for our nation.
And to prevent this problem, we would like to suggest some innovative and sustainable solutions.
Firstly, plastic. It constitutes a major part of the waste that is dumped in dump yards. Hence, we must introduce a system of waste bank where people can deposit segregated waste materials like glass, plastic, and paper in exchange of small payments. It encourages recycling, reduces waste, and gives employment opportunity for waste collectors.
It has been proven effective in many countries and should be implemented in India as well on large scale. For example, from PET bottles, we can make clothes and also building materials like eco bricks, which can be made with the help of modern technology.
Secondly, we can introduce dump yard mining, which will help to extract valuable materials beneath the pile of waste, like plastic, metals, and cardboard, etc.
Lastly, the waste that is produced from our kitchen can be used to create organic fertilizers or can be processed to make fuels like methane gas that will offer sustainable energy source.
Also, people living near dump yards are more prone to harmful diseases. Hence, they should be provided a shelter away from dump yards.
As these solutions are sustainable and generate employment opportunities, it will help in economic growth of every individual and eventually our country, which will boost our nation's development. But what it requires is our collective will.
It all starts with us. If we come together, we can make our Bharat Mata clean again.
So let us all come together and turn our dump into opportunities and waste into wealth.